Your question is fx is equal to ax plus b for x belongs to the real number given f in bracket is 5 that is equal to 3 and f in bracket is 3 that is equal to minus 3. Question is A, find the value of A and B. B, second question is solve the equation fx is equal to 4. Now, here what we have to do, just to see that they have given the equation that is your fx is equal to ax plus b. Fx is equal to ax plus b. Now they have given you what? F5. That means instead of x we have to write 5. Now F5 is what? F5. That is equal to, instead of x you have to write 5. So now it will come as 5a plus b. That is equal to, they have given 3. So this is your first equation. Second, what they have given, see this, F3 is minus 3. That means what? F3. That is equal to, we can say it's a 3a plus b. That is equal to minus 3. This is your second equation. Now subtract them. Y means both contains b and b plus that 2. So if you subtract it, what you will get? You can change the sign here. Minus, minus, and minus is now plus. Therefore, you will get what? 5a minus 3a is 2a. Plus b minus b gone. 3 plus 3 is 6. So a is what? 6 by 2. That is equal to, we can say, is 3. Now substitute this value in your any one of this equation. Here we will get what? 5a. 5a is 3. 5 into 3 plus b, that is equal to 3. So here you get 15 plus b, that is equal to 3. So b is nothing but what? 3 minus 15. That is equal to, we can say, b is minus 12. So you got the value. A you got, B you got. Fine. Now, next what he has told you, solve the equation fx is equal to 4. So how they have given? See this, fx, that is equal to 4. That means just assume that this is your y. Now first you have to solve for fx. So fx is nothing but this value. So therefore fx is, a is 3. You will get 3x minus 12. So this is your fx. That means this is your y. So here what they have given? Fy. That means we have to find out Fy is what? Fy. F is nothing but the same value. Instead of y, you have to put the value it is. So therefore, what you will get, see this, ax is 3x. X, here you have to put this value. That means 3x minus 12 and plus b, that means minus 12. Therefore, you will get 3 into 3 is 9x minus 3 into 12 is 36 minus 12. Now, so if you solve this, what you will get? See this y is this. Therefore, you will get fx is equal to 9x minus 48. But they have given you fx is equal to 4. So that means this is equal to 4. Now solve this. If you solve this, what you will get? You will get 9x is equal to 4 plus 48 is 52. Therefore, x is nothing but 52 by 9. 52 by 9. So, if you write in mixed fraction, how it will be? It will be in 5, 7 by 9. So, this is your answer for that.